All Google files have great ways for notifying and sharing information with other people. But Google Sheets has a special feature that allows you to get some extra notifications as things happen to your sheet. So if you go up into Tools, then you go down to Notification Rules, you can set some notification rules. So first off, you can set, hey, send me an email when any changes are made to the sheet. You can also set it so that if a user submits a form that gets linked to your spreadsheet, then you also get a notification that way too. You can have notifications set up through the form file, but sometimes it's nice to do it through the sheet if that's how you're actually looking at the responses. Then once you decide which one you want to use, you can decide whether or not you want to know daily, like get one email at the end of the day that says these are all the changes that were made, or you can have it email you right away every single time every single time a change is made. You can have it send you an email. Select whichever preferences you want and say save, and that sets up your notification rule. You can add more notification rules if you want to have different, if you want to also know something else. So example, I said changes. I could do a form, save that, and all your rules show up in the same screen. If you want to delete any of those or edit any of those, you can do that using the given buttons that are there. When you're set with your notifications, you can say done. So what that means is that you're going to get an email anytime anyone changes the spreadsheet besides yourself. Now, another way that you might be able to set up some communication tools is in File. If you go to File and down to Email Collaborators, what this does is this emails everybody who is shared on your particular file. If I click on Email Collaborators, it shows all the collaborators, and I can choose to have it email all of them or just some of them by selecting and unselecting them. I can edit what the subject is for my message, and then I can add in a message. You can choose to have it send a copy to yourself, and once you're ready to go, you can click send and it will send that email out. Now, one thing to note is that this cool send message page is also available on any type of Google files. So if you opened up a Google Doc, you could send a message that way as well. But the notification rules are only for Google Sheets, which is why I focused on Sheets when sharing this really cool communication tool. So that's how you can set up notifications and do some communication among collaborators on a particular Google file.